In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize tables in Confluence. We'll start by inserting a basic table, then we'll add emojis to make it more visual, and finally, we'll customize the look of the table using background colors. Follow along in your own Confluence page so you can practice as you watch. First, make sure you're on a Confluence page in edit mode. Click into the area where you want your table to appear so your text cursor is active. Now, type a /, then the word table. So that's /table. Confluence uses this / command to bring up a list of macros and features you can insert, and typing table will filter that list so you quickly see the table options. From the menu that appears, click on Insert a Table. As soon as you select it, Confluence will drop a basic table onto your page. You can begin typing directly into the cells if you want, but for now, let's focus on enhancing it with emojis. Click into any cell where you'd like to place an emoji. Again, type a /, this time followed by the word emoji. So, each emoji. This opens the emoji feature. In the menu that appears, click on Use Emojis. Confluence will display an emoji picker, very similar to what you might see in chat applications. Now, click on Insert if that option appears, and then select an emoji from the picker. You can scroll through categories or use the search bar to find something specific. Once you click an emoji, it will be inserted directly into the cell you selected. You can repeat this step for other cells to visually represent status, priorities, or types of content. Next, let's customize the table's appearance. Click anywhere on the table so it becomes active. Look for a small arrow icon that appears near the top of the table, usually aligned with the table toolbar. Click on this small arrow to open additional table options. From the drop-down menu, click on Background Color. This controls the fill color for the table selection. Confluence will show you a palette of colors you can use to highlight your table or specific sections of it. Finally, select a color from the available options. As soon as you click a color, it will be applied to the selected area of the table. You can experiment with different shades to emphasize headers, separate sections, or simply make your table more readable. And that's it. You've created a table, added emojis for visual cues, and customized the background color to make your Confluence table both functional and visually appealing.